Empata omuwo epum.
The fish in the sea.
Enyum bia omuto ya naji. Erade ema mi hu nyuma no omoto. Omatu obi hu dwom.
Have sung of someone in Ghana.
Enframa ne nam Ghana ha.
The wind that blows in Ghana.
Ghana mfatro nan.
The four corners of Ghana.
Omatu obi hu dwom.
They have sung someone's song. A song about someone. And I will tell you the song and the interpretation of it. And if Ghanaians will hear it, and if Ghanaians will permit and they would respond to it, now the fish in the sea were singing a song and they were telling Ghanaians what they ought to do. The trees in the forest.
Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah, during his church service, mentioned that God had shown him something about Ghana, about the future of this country. And he was saying that he saw that the fish in Ghana were singing, the birds were singing, the rivers were singing, the trees were singing, the soil or the earth of Ghana were all singing. They were singing about somebody. They were singing about a certain man who is supposed to lead Ghana in the coming election 2028. And he was saying that he's going to disclose more about that next week. So people should pay close attention. So what was the man of God talking about? What did he see? What did God show him? So in this video, I'm going to show you what he said that God showed him. And he said that he's going to talk more about that in the coming weeks. But before that, I'll plead with you, if today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment, and let me learn something from you. And I learn from you through your comments. So drop your comment, let me know what you think, and then we can learn something together. Thank you very much.
Amen. Now, Nyameya Adoma next week,
God willing, next week,
about Ghana.
God willing, next week, I will declare something about Ghana.
Empata omuwo epum.
The fish in the sea.
Enyum bia omuto ya naji. Erade ema mi hu nyuma no omoto.
The song they sang at dawn last night, which God enabled me to hear what they sang. The one about whom they were singing.
Forest mu. The
trees in the forest. The trees in the forest, the song they sang, and of whom they were singing. The birds in Ghana were also tweeting that song. The ground whereon we walk in Ghana, the ground, the earth was also singing that song. The various water bodies there are. The animals in the water bodies were all singing that same song. Now the four corners of Ghana, 4 doors, which are 4 doors. They were also singing the same song.
Next week.
God willing, next week, I'll let you know what song they sang and of whom they were singing and what they were saying to Ghana. That if Ghana as a nation will hear and will take steps in response to it, and they will permit it, this nation will be blessed. Now listen to me carefully. I said the fish in the sea, they have sung a song concerning someone. The trees in the forest have sung a song about someone. The animals and birds in Ghana have sung of someone in Ghana. The wind that blows in Ghana, the 4 corners of Ghana, They have sung someone's song, a song about someone. And I will tell you the song and the interpretation of it. And if Ghanaians will hear it, and if Ghanaians will permit and they would respond to it, it will be good if Ghanaians hear and obey. Now the fish in the sea were singing a song, and they were telling Ghanaians what they ought to do. The trees in the forest, were saying to the people of Ghana, if you want this nation to progress, this is what you ought to do.
4 doors.
The 4 doors of Ghana was screaming out loudly, saying to Ghanaians, this is what you have to do. The wind blowing in Ghana was screaming out, saying, this is what Ghanaians ought to do. If Ghanaians will listen, and they would believe that Prophet Owusu Bempah is God's prophet, and God, Jesus called me and appointed me for Africa, for Africa and the world. I love to see the progress of Ghana. We want a good leader. Now, who is the fish in the sea? And the trees in the forest, of whom are they singing? Of whom are they singing? And saying they want to be the leader of the nation. Now, anyone that would despise the prophetic word and would say a thing in the form of an insult against it, you will not go scot-free. You may despise it. Klaus. Now the Klaus was singing the same song. The ground whereon we walk also sang the same song. And it's not only Nasi that sings for someone. Animals are also singing. Animals are singing. The clouds are singing. You may doubt it. It is the wish of the nation. I will let you know the mind of God if you want. If you want Ghana to be clothed in glory, you want Ghana to blossom, then Ghana, give ear to the word of the Lord. This is not politics. It's not partisan politics. It is about the interest of the nation. Let all prophets prophesy or put their prophecy aside.
Now, my imra, I say from the constitution on penny bed interna. And let us hear
next week.
Jesus.
What there is to be said.
Amen.
Amen.